Welcome you back to the farm. I was reading on the internet the other day and just by chance came across something about fermenting chicken feed. And you just take like a grain and pour it about halfway up a bucket and you pour water in it, you let it sit overnight, and you feed it to your chickens as a supplement. Now, I went out and bought some scratch feed, and this scratch feed only has, this particular scratch feed only has 7% protein. So you cannot feed this to your chickens as a alone. You can see I went to the feed store. I got some 22% back here, uh, layer pellets, and this is a complete feed. It's 22% protein. It's got the calcium, fiber, phosphorus, salt. It's got everything. So this is going to be my main. This will still be my main feed. But my chickens are not been laying very well, and everybody says and they swear by it that it increases the egg production. So I've been getting about 20 to 24 a day. I should be getting 36 to 40 a day, and so we're gonna find out if this really works. So I got my bucket here and I got a lid for it. And this is not 5 gallons. This is probably like an old lard bucket, don't it? But actually come from Lowe's. It's probably 3 gallons. So we'll try it with this. If it works, we'll go to a bigger thing. So like I said, I got my scratch grain here, and it's got corn, milo, and wheat. And this is I've not bought this before. Now it's actually pretty cheap. And I used to, as far as scratch grain goes, I like Faithway seven way, and that's really the only thing about Faithway feed that I like. And that's just me, you know. So yeah, I can see the corn, I see the wheat, I see the milo. Of course, the corn shows up. Here's a milo. It's that little seed, and then you see the wheat in there. So we're gonna fill this up halfway. All right. Now I'm gonna pour it full of water. So, oh yeah, it's all the way down to the bottom. So let me show you, get you a good close up of that. So I'm gonna let that sit for 24 hours and put this lid on it. And we'll let it sit for 24 hours. And we'll start feeding tomorrow, which will be Friday. I should start this on Monday, but I didn't read it till I started reading about it on Monday. And I didn't think much of it, and I wasn't gonna try it, but I think I will try it. I think I will try it and see if it works. And like I said, I'm a little skeptical it's gonna work or not. So we'll feed it tomorrow, but we won't know if we get egg production by this video will come out Saturday morning. So I'll do it tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. I'll make the video Monday to see if it increased. If it did, I don't know, it might take a week, so I don't know. If it did, it'll be next Saturday. So how's that? All right, so I'll see y'all in the morning. Give you the last look at our piggies. They're going to freezer camp. You're watching this, you'll be watching this on Saturday, so Monday they'll be hopefully we get them on the wagon or the trailer. They'll be at the processor. So I might film that, I don't know. I've had it going really good. I'm talking about loading pigs. I've had it going really good. I've had it going really, really bad too. So I don't know if I film it or not. So I don't know, we'll see. It's the next day, and I already threw the regular feed in here, and we'll look at this. So I don't know, I'm not 100% convinced. So I'm gonna give some to here. This is the new birds we got. And I've been getting about 20. I see you're supposed to let it drain. I've been getting about 20 to 25 eggs a day. So it's like I said, I should be getting more than that. So. Well, they seem to like it. I need a bigger scoop. I had to steal this one out of the kitchen, don't tell nobody. Probably start out with 3 scoops per thing, and we'll see how it does. Now, I probably won't be able to do this Monday, so that'll be 3 days. So next Wednesday we'll come back and I'll do a video and see if it's made any difference. But I'm gonna give him another scoop, and I'm gonna go feed the other ones, and we'll count and see how many eggs we got for today, and talk about what we're gonna do going forward. 18 eggs today. Lowest number this week. I've been getting, like I said, 20 to 24, so 18 is horrible. So hopefully this helps. I gave each one, I gave this one 4 scoops. I gave that one 3, I should have gave that one 4, and I gave that one 3. So I'll just keep, and this stays in that bucket, and as long as you keep it under water, and the way I understand it, it won't turn sour. So we'll keep trying. So I probably got maybe a week's worth in there, the rate I'm feeding. So I might even, I don't want to up it too much because of I'm already paying a lot of money for feed. So like I said earlier, and this is not a replacement, this is a substitute. This is just old scratch feed. It's got corn, wheat, milo in it, about 7% protein. You cannot feed this to your chickens and expect them to lay, you know, heavily. They might survive on it and lay every now and then, but there's no way you can raise production chickens on this. So I give them the 22%, same rate, and this is like a supplement. So we'll see. We'll keep track, and hopefully by next Wednesday we'll have a answer whether it really works or not. So I got 18 today. Like I said, we've been averaging 20 to 24. All right, I got a few more things I got to do. We're going to the farmer's market in the morning. When you're watching this, I'll be peddling watermelons and cantaloupe. Just got through picking watermelons. I picked tomatoes and pepper. I got some beautiful peppers tomorrow. Finally got some good peppers this year. So anyway, and the store will be open tomorrow, or when you watch it, the store will be open today. All right, appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you down in the farm next video. Oh, and support your local farmer.